What if you could turn an idea into a working app just by describing it? No coding, no hiring developers, no waiting weeks for something basic to go live. That's exactly what Base44 Superagents are designed to do. Traditionally, building an app is slow and expensive. You need developers to write code, designers to create the interface, and time to test everything. Even simple tools can take weeks to build, and for many people, that complexity becomes a barrier before they even begin. Base44 Superagents remove that barrier. Instead of writing code, you simply describe what you want. For example, you could ask for a sales dashboard, a client booking system, or a custom CRM. The AI takes that description and turns it into a working application. But it's not just generating ideas, it's actually building the app. Here's how it works. Superagents break your request into structured steps. First, they understand your goal and what the app needs to do. Then they generate the user interface, define how everything connects, and build the logic behind it. Finally, they assemble everything into a functional app you can use right away. If you want to try Base44 Superagents yourself, there's a link in the description where you can test it out. It's essentially like having a full development team, but compressed into a single AI system that works in minutes instead of weeks. One of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to make changes. If something doesn't look right or you want to add a feature, you don't need to rewrite code. You just update your prompt. You can refine layouts, adjust functionality, or expand the app simply by describing what you want next. This makes it incredibly powerful for creating internal tools, dashboards, or testing business ideas quickly without any technical background. The main benefit here is speed. What used to take weeks can now be done in minutes. It also reduces costs and removes the need for coding knowledge, opening up app creation to a much wider audience. Of course, it's not perfect. More complex apps may still need fine-tuning, and getting the best results often depends on how clearly you describe what you want. But the direction is clear. We're moving away from manually building software and towards simply describing it. Base44 Superagents are a strong example of that shift, showing how AI can turn ideas into real, usable products faster than ever before. If you want to start building your own app, check the link in the description and see what you can create.